what's up? I'm going to show you how to play the chords for Go on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Now let's get started. Alright, for this song you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 6. The chords you'll need are A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, 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 2, 2, 1, open, E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 F, X, open, 3, 2, 1, 1, or 1, open, 3, 2, 1, 1, and D minor, open, 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 2, 3, 1. The strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. So slower, that's down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.